My name is Bolaji, and I'm here to present the project I recently built, which I call Blogburst. Do you know that about 70% of internet users engage in blog regularly? And that's why I built this application called Blogburst. So I use front-end technologies in building this application. Front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap library for CSS, and Ajax. And as for the backend, I use Python, that's the Flask framework to build it. So I'm going to show you an overview of my website. So let's just dive right into that. So this is the landing page. You can see the header. For this category, you can see the different type of articles you can post on this app. And as for this section, that shows discover the latest articles on Blogburst. But because we've not had any users yet, so we don't have any articles for now. Then if you come to who we had, we just like our about page, you can read much more about us. Now let's go and sign up for a user. Input your first name. Password. You can check out the terms and conditions so that just for you to know the rules and the terms and the conditions that you have to go by in order for you to use the articles. And these are the terms and conditions. After reading them, you can go back to signing up. Then if you agree, you can then sign up. So this is going to redirect you to the login page where you put in your credentials. Then I'm going to log in the user. So this is the user dashboard. This dashboard is for every user that is logged in. Once you log in, this will be redirected to. So the user or Motola can decide to update a profile. You can decide to add a profile picture. So to add a profile picture, you click on this picture button here and then choose a file. Once you update, the profile picture has been added. You can also decide to change something. You can decide to write a little bit about yourself in the bio. So user Homotola can decide to add a social media handle. So we're going to add just the handle for our Facebook, and then on click of the update profile button, our profile will get updated. Then you will see a flash message that our profile has been updated. So in order for other users to also view our profile, we'll have to sign up another user. So we'll come back to we are using another browser to sign up another user, and this time around we sign up. Then deliver. Then it's email, and then password. Sign up. So just you get redirected to the login page for him to put in his credentials. Login. So we have our second user signed up. So you can also decide to update his profile. We just had a profile picture for him. Update profile. So now both users have both updated their profile. Now Timmy can decide to come to the connect tab to connect with the users that are on the app. So you can decide to connect with user Omotola. On click of the button, it's connected with user Omotola. And then when it comes to its dashboard, its connections, you're going to see her as one of its connected users. Now let's go into posting of articles. So we're going to post an article for user Omotola. Have one article that I've written. you have to choose an image for the cover of the post, your article that you're posting. Since it's a business article, we're using something related to an image related to what the user wrote. And then you need to choose the categories. Remember earlier I showed you in the home page the categories of articles that you can find on this website. So since it's business, we're going to put it under business. And then you can either draft it if you don't want to publish it immediately, or you publish. But for now, we're going to publish this article. And once you post, it's going to get posted. So let's confirm if the article has been posted. We'll go to the second user, and once you get to the blog, this section, you're going to see the article. So as users on this app, you can like, you can comment, you can read. If you want to read the whole article, you can see the cover, the image added, you can read it. So let's like this article. User Timmy like this article. So on refreshing the page, if Motola come back online and refresh the page, you see that it has been liked. So Timmy can come back online later and decide to unlike the post. If you unlike the post and refresh the page, user Motola, once you come back and refresh the page, you see that the post has been unliked. So we're going to like the post, and then Timmy can comment on the article. Okay, let's go see this. Comment. So you get a flash message that this comment has been added successfully. So the other user can decide to come and check. On refreshing the page, so you see that a user has commented on an article, and this is the comment. The comment was made on this date at this time. Now let's go to the categories where the articles were posted. Since the article was posted in business, you look for business and then click this plus button to check the category. You see the description she added while posting the article is on the top of the image, and you can also decide to read it. The author and the time, the date and time it was posted, and also the comment is down here. So now we're going to log in as admin. Let's see what the admin of Blogburst can do. So input your username and the password. If the admin input the wrong password, you're going to get an error message that is inputted invalid credentials. So let's input the right password. Login. So the admin can see that we have 2 users currently, Omotola and Timmy. And then in the management, you can, if a user posts an article that violates the terms and conditions that I showed you earlier, the admin can either disable the post and also disable the user. If the admin disables the user, the post will also get disabled automatically. Let's confirm if the post has been disabled. If I come back to any of the user accounts and refresh my page, you see that the post has been disabled. But the admin, maybe after a while, the person adjusts the article. The admin can decide to enable it. But let's check, since the admin has disabled the post, let's go to the profile of the writer of the post that was disabled. If you click on our profile, you get directed to the home page because our account has been disabled. You can see the message there, your account has been disabled. So the admin can enable her back and also enable the post. Once she has been enabled, she can then sign in again. Let's sign her in. She has been signed in again and our post is back. You can also, the user can also update her post. For example, maybe she does not want the title to be this again. You just want the title to be Strategies for Success in Your Business 2024. It is published and update post. See that the post title has been changed. And by refresh here, the other users too can see the post that was posted initially. Let's also post an article for user Timmy. He does not have any post currently. That's why you can see this message there. You have no post. and if you come to all his posts, he has no post. So let's post something from him too. Let's draft the post. So we'll see how drafting works. If you draft the post and post this, it's not going to get posted because he kept it in his track. If you come back to his profile, you can see the post, but the other users cannot see the post because the user didn't publish it, he drafted it. So you can decide to come back and maybe he's not too sure what he wanted to post, and maybe just adjust the post a little bit. We'll just change his title, and then this time around he publishes it. After updating the post, you can see the post. So user Tola can refresh our page too and decide to like the post and also comment. Decide to like the post. On refreshing the page and Temu refreshes the page, you see that he has one like, and user Omotola can decide to comment. Temu comes to it. His account, you can also view the comment down here. So now let's log out user Temu. I don't have a new user who just want to explore this chat. Just like I said earlier, these are the latest articles that we posted on Blogburst. You can see both of them. The one user Tola posted and the one user Temu posted. So I can decide as a new user without an account, I can still read the articles just by clicking the title of the article. If I click it, it will take me to the page where I read the article. But because I have not signed up, I will not have access to some part of the website. For example, you notice that the profile, the login, the logout, and the categories are no longer there. So I can just read the article, and maybe if I like it, I can decide to create an account. So let's go back to the admin. For example, if the admin update the terms and conditions, you can send a message to all the users using the platform and just notify them that the terms and conditions of the site have been updated. So we're just going to send a notification to all our users. Then send announcement. You receive a flash message that the announcement has been sent. Then a user that is logged in goes to his profile, you would see the announcement here. This user do also check it out, just updated terms and conditions. You can also see the time that it was sent. And then the admin can, after a while, can decide to delete it. If you delete it very first, it won't be there anymore. So you can see how easy it is to share your ideas from anywhere you are, anytime in the world, whether you're at home or on the go. It's very easy to just use your phone, your laptop to share your thoughts, and then everybody in the world using Blogburst will see your article. So you see how easy it is for anyone using Blogburst to use their device. You see that your phone, your laptop, to share your thoughts online and then post it for everyone using Blogburst to read your articles. So, and that's the purpose of Blogburst. Thank you.